Right, I'm taking a stab here at working with the template for the Education Studies program here at MCC, beginning with the classic sites where we're able to create a template and then converting that to the new Google Sites, which does not have a template option. So as you can see here, we have the MCC Education Portfolio. That's where everyone will start. And then here at the top, it says this site is in the template gallery. Any changes you make will be visible to all users. And then we click on use this template. That's the option everyone else will have. And then here there is a pre-service education portfolio. I'm going to name this site the example for new Google Sites. And then I am not a robot. So I'm able to then, let's see, up here in the top left-hand corner, create. And I've got to click I'm not a robot again. And example for new Google Sites, create. Oh, it's not letting me do that. Oh, I've got to select a theme. That's great. That's really good that they're making us do that. We can't create a blank one. So, what do I want to do? What do I want to do? Oh, so many choices. I'm going to go with this one, leather panel. And then create site. And the site URL you have chosen is not allowed. So now I have to go back and I'm going to try again. And I'm going to use this template. And then I'm going to say example and Google Sites example ESD. I'm not a robot. Oh, I'm going to select a theme. I'm going to go back to my green. Continue on. I'm not a robot. And then create. And it's creating my site. So hopefully this won't take too terribly long. That circle there can seem like it's forever. Okay, fantastic. So now, once I'm here, I see the opportunities. These are based on the NTAS standards. We have the standards and subpages at the bottom, and this is all kinds of stuff that we'll be working on. The thing that I wanted to do is to see about converting it to the new Google Sites, and then we have this information. Learn more. Let's start creating. There are some who have discovered that this is a easier format to work with in the new Google Sites, and that there are many more options that allow students to personalize it and make it look pretty. So at this point we're waiting for 21%. We don't need to wait that whole time, so I'm going to click pause. Okay, so I'm back and we see that it is at 100%, and as I check my email, then there is the email that I got really quickly that my draft site has been created. So now I'm going to click continue, and then I can review the draft. Oh, I need to switch accounts here. This is the trouble of having multiple emails all in Google. So here we are, and ready for the draft. And then here we have your new site awaits. There is a tour where it shows everyone how to set everything up. And I'm going to just go ahead and say done. And publish. And use existing website. Publish. Replace. Publish. And it's converted from classic sites. It's taking a while to publish, and now we have been successfully published. And so all kinds of opportunities here to work with the new sites. Here we have the content knowledge. I'm not sure. We can do some editing. And we've got pages, all kinds of things. Oh, look at that button divider, YouTube map, really neat things. So, sorry for the long screencast, but this is my first effort to convert from classic sites to the new sites, and would like everyone to start with the template so we have all of that information there, and then we can move forward at that point. All right, thank you, everyone.